Shit. Alright. My name is Nick Pedersen, and I own a shop in Milwaukee, Wisconsin called Moto-fied Cycles.
Show me something I ain't seen before. The hoe on my dick got locked, smoking on that mistletoe. Make her kiss all on it while we touch up on a 24.
Got hit up by a customer, his name is Dean, and he was like, "Oh dude, I really dig that bike. I was wondering to see if you could build something, like that." And I was like, "Yeah, sick, what do you got?" So he said, he's like, "I have an XS 500 Yamaha," and he brought it over, and it's like totally bone stock, and like, everything's looking pretty shabby on it. I'm just like a kid in a single car garage. I don't know how the hell he trusted me. Basically it took 2 years to build the bike, and it just got a lot of like really cool shit into the bike, and I was really proud of it because it's like my second build, and on this build like everything was touched, like pretty much down to like the last nut and bolt. Like we plated everything, powder coat paint, everything was done, so like everything looks really cherry.
They say I got the city on fire.
Probably the hardest part of the build for me. I have never done my own hanging tail before, and I did not have a frame jig at the time either, so it was pretty challenging to get that thing all level and straight. And even now, it's like you look at it, it's like it looks pretty good, but without a frame jig, it's pretty tricky to be able to do it. It's so easy to just take a cut off wheel and just hack off the whole back end of the bike, but building something out of tubing and making it all level and square to the bike, it's actually a lot more challenging than I thought it would be. So that was a cool challenge, and I was really happy with it.
From my dick, paid by the Bloods, raised by the Crips, solo holder prophecies, atrocities, exhibition. Oh yeah, now a nigga living good, but good could be better. I wish a motherfucker would.
They say I got the city on fire. I ain't booming, that's a guy